Morning, everyone. We are Team Y. Today we will be presenting Chapter 26, Formation and Internal Affairs, and Chapter 27, Corporate Responsibility. Our presentation will consist of 4 portions. First of all, I would like to introduce my team members and the portions we will be speaking about. My name is Ander. I will be talking about Chapter 26, Corporate Governance, Internal Affairs. Then my teammates Nitek and Nikhil will be talking about Chapter 27, Corporate Governance, External Responsibilities. Finally, Brendan will be talking about a case study of West Rail mine disaster that is related to our topics. This presentation will be about 20 minutes long. Chapter 26 is about the formation and internal affairs of a corporation. I will describe how a corporation is managed, the function of board of directors, how directors are appointed and removed, define the duties of director, and describe shareholders' rights. First of all, by definition, corporate governance refers to the organization and management of the business and affairs of a corporation in order to meet its internal objectives and external responsibilities. Here, affairs of a corporation refers to the internal arrangement among directors, officers, and shareholders. The business of corporation refers to external relationships between corporation, customers, suppliers, creditors, employees, regulators, and society as a whole. Look at the structure of the modern business corporation. Despite that the business corporations differ from one another in size and composition, all corporations have these essential elements. They are the board of directors, shareholders, officers. So these are the three basic groups common to all corporations, plus audit committee, compensation committee, and then nominated committee. As this this diagram also shows that the power originated with the general meeting of shareholders who elect a board of directors to manage the corporation. So the director appoint or hire a CEO who is the highest rank employee in charge of day-to-day running of the corporation. So to be a director, he or she must meet the requirements listed here, as well as elected by the shareholders through cumulating voting. That is a method of electing directors by a form of proportional representation. The roles of director include to issue shares, to declare dividends, to adopt bylaws, to call meeting of shareholders, and to delegate responsibilities and appoint officers. The duties of director include to act honestly and in good faith with the best interests of the corporation, to exercise care, diligence, and skill that is a reasonable, prudent person who exercise incomparable situation. In addition, every directors and officers of a corporation shall comply with the law, regulation, articles, bylaws, and an unanimous shareholders agreement. Finally, I will briefly talk about the rights attached to shares, in other words, the rights of shareholders. These rights include to vote at any meeting of shareholders, to receive any dividends that is declared, and to receive the remaining property of the corporation on dissolution. Now I have completed chapter 26. I will pass on Nitik to talk about chapter 27. Thank you.